In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts to OneDrive. It's a simple process that helps you manage your files from different accounts conveniently within the same application. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly switch between accounts, so let's dive right in. First, you will want to open your OneDrive application. It might already be running on your device, so look for the small cloud icon typically found in the system tray if you're using a Windows device. If you're using a Mac, you'll find it in the menu bar. Once you've accessed the OneDrive interface, you'll notice a profile icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this icon. Clicking on the profile icon brings up a menu that includes various options related to your account. What we're interested in here is the option that allows you to sign in with a different account. Locate the option labeled Sign in with different account and click on it. This action will open a sign-in screen. Here, you'll need to enter the credentials for the additional account you want to add. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts, or perhaps an organizational account, and a personal account, this feature is incredibly handy. Type in the email address for the account you wish to include. Follow the prompts to enter your password, and ensure you have any necessary authentication tools ready, such as a phone or email for verification purposes, particularly if two-factor authentication is enabled. Once signed in, your OneDrive application will process the addition of this account. It's good to know that OneDrive will keep these accounts separate, meaning files from one will not automatically transfer to the other unless you explicitly move them. This separation is particularly useful for maintaining privacy and organization if you're dealing with sensitive personal files and professional documents. To manage your accounts, you simply click again on the profile icon at any point to switch between the connected accounts. This will allow you to easily access files stored in either of the accounts without having to sign out and back in each time. It saves a considerable amount of time and effort, especially if you're frequently switching context between personal and work-related tasks. Finally, a helpful tip is to ensure you've named your accounts distinctively within the settings if possible. This naming can help you quickly identify which account you are accessing, reducing confusion and potential missteps. Also, periodically check for updates both for the app and account settings to keep everything running smoothly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add and manage multiple accounts in OneDrive. Thank you for joining me today to learn this useful skill, and I hope it helps streamline your file management workflow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.